बूबू, लबूबू, 10 या 12। आज मेरा स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel and my name is Yashasvi और and आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ करने वाले हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरटेनिंग चीज़ करने वाले हैं। ऐसा मत सोचना क्योंकि आई डोंट नो कि कैसा होने वाला है ये वीडियो। आई रियली डोंट नो, लाइक मे बी इट्स द मोस्ट बोरिंग वीडियो यू एवर सीन, बट आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर द 4 people who are watching me, so तुम चारों एंजॉय कर सकते हो इस चीज़ को। दिस वीडियो इज प्रीटी यूजलेस। तो अगर आपको कुछ यूजलेस देखना है तो द राइट वीडियो फॉर यू। सो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना ऐसा करा जाए फॉर टाइम पास, बिकॉज दिस इज द एम ऑफ दिस चैनल, टाइम पास। क्यों ना चैट जीपीटी को बोला जाए कि मुझे 10 या 12 सवाल का एक लिस्ट दो जिसको मैं आंसर करूंगी। क्यों? क्योंकि टाइम पास। तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना बी डूइंग टुडे। या दिस इज वेयर आई हैव ऑल द क्वेश्चंस। दिस iPad, क्योंकि लाइक आई एम सुपर डुपर रिच। That's the vibe. It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. इसमें बैटरा नहीं है इसलिए, ठीक है? Yeah. Just for the vibes, I have this. Like ऐसे पढ़ूंगी तो ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं कुछ ऐसा बहुत important काम कर रही हूँ. So the first question is, what is the weirdest compliment that Loki lives in your head? अब ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है कि जो मेरे दिमाग में रहता है हमेशा, except for overthinking. किसी ने मेरे को ऐसा बोला था कि I really like the fact that you have lines on your neck. Because Priyanka Chopra also has them. कौन नोटिस करता है? It was a girl, by the way. I didn't know that is something that I could get a compliment on. So, yeah, necklines. What's a song that makes you feel like a menace to the society? बेदर्दी राजा। मेरे को चेप सॉन्ग से बहुत इरिटेशन होता है। ऐसे तो बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं आजकल। बॉलीवुड पूरा ही जो भंडार है बॉलीवुड में, and all the TikTok songs that get into your head. इसके बाद है, if you could block one memory from your brain forever, what would it be? So answers the question, the classic question, which is, what's the most embarrassing moment of your life? तो यही है मेरे हिसाब से। ऐसा हुआ था कि हम लोग गए थे एक बार मॉन्ट्रियल, and Montreal जाके we were like, it was a colder time, so we were like, wow, what if we could see the northern lights, right? So because वहाँ पे था ऐसा कुछ prediction कि मतलब northern lights दिख सकती है. So I went with my भैया and भाभी and we were just roaming around the city at night, and suddenly I see a green light like developing in the sky. So I was like, I'm like super delulu. I'm like, anything can happen anytime, like it just can. You know what? The universe is sending these lights just for me, right? Because like I'm visiting Montreal and this is happening. I've been wanting to see them since so long. Even my bhabhi is wanting to see this since so long. So maybe we actually manifested this. Then the light became more apparent and I was like, oh my god, why is it? And it was a little patchy though, like, and I thought I've never seen northern lights. I was like, maybe it is patchy, right? Montreal में बहुत बार देखी गई है northern lights. So I was like, you know what? Totally possible. I was like, stop, there's something, I'm telling you there's something. And then I got out of the car and then we see this light and it's so beautiful. We click pictures and we click videos and we upload, I uploaded stories. We hotel पहुंचे and we just kept seeing those lights and I was like, wow, like I don't believe this is happening to me. And like we were just feeling so grateful. And then someone who watched my stories on Instagram messages me saying that Desjardins Lights. Desjardins is a bank and उसका जो सारा लोगो वो सब है वो green रहता है. And they have this annoying thing, like why would anybody have this? They have this thing where terrace पे से they reflect their green lights in the sky to mark their territory in the sky. I don't know why they do that. I hate them. They were Desjardins Lights. I hate you, Desjardins. Forever. Uploaded all the pictures and all the clips everywhere and it was so embarrassing. It was just like, क्या हो गया यार? We don't talk about it. Question is, what's a lie you told about yourself to make yourself sound more interesting? Yeah, I remember something really embarrassing again. I guess I was in like 6th or 7th grade. At that point, मेरे को ऐसा कुछ attention seeking का भूत चढ़ा तो तब मैं सऊदी में रहती थी. I told a lot of people that I kind of understand Arabic and I can speak a little bit of Arabic too. So saying, and I did want myself to sound very interesting. झूठ बोला गया था, काफी ज़्यादा संगीन. Next question is, what's the one thing in your purse that would expose you instantly? Kachra. What's the dumbest thing you've convinced yourself is self-care? Buying more clothes, buying more shoes. अब मैं नहीं करती उतना, बट पहले मैंने इतने शूज़ खरीदे हैं भाई. I wasted so much money, but yeah. Something that I convinced myself was self-care, but
it wasn't, girl. It wasn't, okay?
Next question is, what is the most cringe thing influencers do? Cringe thing is probably crying. I don't resonate with that. Crying on videos. I mean, crying is something super personal to me. And okay, ठीक है, मतलब ऐसे बोलते बोलते निकल जाता है कुछ. Crying is fine. But like you start the video with crying is a little bit weird for me. If the situation involves something that is like super like crazy, something is happening and you're like, oh my god, this has happened, like that's something that is fine. But just recording to cry, I don't think that is something that I like. Question: self-care thing that's a scam. This thing where these girls, these influencer girls, this whole like pura they wrap themselves and then tightly in silicone masks and stuff like that. I don't get that. It's so overly hyped and I don't understand it. Like, it's not required. It would actually like block some of your veins and stuff. How do you sleep with that? That's not possible. You are just compromising your sleep then. Then how is that self-care at all? What's the worst trend everyone pretends to love but you secretly hate? Oh, it's not secret. It's not secret. I hate labubus. What the hell is a labubu? It's not cute. Why is it so overpriced? It's just a toy. Labubu. What the hell is that name? Labubu. I'm interested in origin. Basically, Labubu is part of a larger series of characters called the Monsters. No wonder. Created by Kasim Lung, inspired by Nordic mythology. अच्छा, big purchase you don't get. Big purchases तो मुझे समझ आते हैं कभी-कभी. It's fine, like you want to treat yourself or something. But I don't get Starbucks. Overly complicated coffee orders, and for like the most expensive coffee ever. What's a trend you hope dies forever? I hope that Stanley Cups die. Most useless product people flex. The Rode phone case. It's so ugly and it looks so weird and it's so expensive. क्यों ऐसा बकवास सा, मतलब ऐसा वाला शेप वाला वो चाहिए, मतलब क्यों चाहिए? पर्स में रखो, अपनी जेब में रखो. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. What's the most overrated event according to you? Coachella. मतलब मेरे को नहीं समझ आता. बस सेम ओल्ड, वही आउटफिट्स, वही वियर्ड सा सब. त्वचा देखो मेरी त्वचा. अभी मेरा स्किन इसमें अच्छा लग रहा है ना, तो मैं इसमें आउटरो देती हूँ. हुस्न परी तुम जाने जहां, तुम सबसे हसीन, तुम सबसे जवान, मेरा धूप वाला त्वचा is literally so beautiful.
इसे कहते हैं कोरियन ग्लास स्किन.
So thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I am so happy that you joined me. For all the 4 to 5 viewers, thank you so much for giving me 35 views. Yeah, thanks for wasting your time. How do you ship this thing?